Okay, so here we go. So I've cut everything out. This is my stretch out. All right. So usually what we do, if this was a piece of sheet metal, you would actually start by folding your hems in on the brake. Some of you might have seen it there at the school. All right, and then we've got a box and pan brake or finger brake where we can actually make strips that are as wide as what we need. And then what we would do is we would fold these together along this long line and this long line, and then we'd put it in and we'd fold it up this way. So I'll just show you. Here we go. So here's my hems. I'll just use this. Ooh, paper's hard to work with. Okay, so you would fold your hems, and you can see that makes a nice, right? Where's my tape, Georgia? Georgia, where's my tape?
I don't know what's under here.
Oh, Georgia. So I'll just, I'll tape that hem down just because it looks pretty. So I'll do that. All right, we'll do the same here. One thing you can do when you're working with paper, if you want, is along your folds, you could just take this and just go. And that just kind of scores the paper and allows it to fold a little better. See that? Isn't that beautiful? Okay. Da, da, da. So one of the reasons that we put these hems in also, and I don't know really if for paper if it does it, but it probably does. That's why we use corrugated paper. Is every time you put a fold in a piece of metal or a bend, it makes it a little bit stronger. So that's why we do that. So that's why even in Teslas, although not as much as they used to, but you'll always see a slight little curve or form in the steel, in the sheet, in the body of the car, because it actually makes it a little bit structurally stronger. It won't dent. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my tabs here. So these are my tabs. Okay. And what the tabs are for, and you've probably seen them on boxes, but what those do is when we fold, sorry, I don't know if you can see that. Sorry, fold that up the side, so there's our side, all right, is what's going to happen. Doop, come on. All right, so I'm just going to trace along there. All right, there's my other edge. Here's my edge. If you think about when we're in metalwork and you want to make a box, there's a few different ways you can join it. You could stitch weld it, which is hard to do, but something I was going to show you because I was thinking maybe make some cars, but that's not going to happen now. So we're just going to do a paper thing here. What happens is the tabs allow us, they give us a little bit of area. So there's your little tab there. All right, it allows us to actually put a rivet through and join this side with this side, or it allows us to use the spot welder. We can spot weld. The other thing too is if we were going to stitch weld the corner, it gives us a little bit more material. So you can see we actually have two pieces of material in thickness to add to, which is a lot easier to weld. All right, so here we go. So you can use glue. I just have the tape here, so I thought I'd just use it. I'm just going to tape it up here like this. And then what I'll do is put some on the outside too. All right, so there you go. That, hold on. Oh, I should have ripped the tape. Note to self.
Sure.
Can you rip some tape for me there, G? Thanks.
Do you want? This is
Oh, that's kind of hard.
here. I'll just leave that open.
Thank you. That's Georgia. You can hear her. She's working on. What are you working on?
I'm making a stamp out of it.
Oh, she's making a stamp out of a potato for art class. Cool, eh?
I think it's from main lesson because we're learning the printing class.
Oh, yes, it's for main lesson because they're studying printing. Okay, so there you go. There's a box, and that's what it would look like. All right? Okay, so nice. I'll put a little piece of tape on the edge. So it actually sticks. And there you go. There's your box. All right? Symmetrical. All right, the tabs gives you a little more, like I said before, a little more meat on it. You can see the edge having that hem makes it not as flimsy too, which is good. There we go. Tape helps. Do, 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 do. And that's it. There's my box. All right, 5 inches by 3 inches. And the next thing I'm going to do, the next video, is you're going to make a lid. All right, that's it.
Can you help me now?
Peace.